So we're doing a little bit of revising because I want all my peppers to be on the back and everything else to move up here. And there's Mr. Frog again. You see him? But hey, stay right there. Sit right there. Yeah. Rolling. Woo! I had to take off one because I don't think it was pollinated all the way. It was turning brown. I took it off. But I still have two. I don't know. Hold on, let me move it out of the way so y'all can see. It's got one right there and one on the top. So it's two. And then I have one more right here. Bring y'all in so y'all can see. I haven't seen any other ones, but hey, one is all I need. So my plan, have it kind of perched up so the bees won't have a hard time finding it. They be all over here, so I don't think they have a hard time finding it now that it's exposed. I had some flowers and it looks like some street beans are coming out of here. They small right now. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but they here, and that's all that matters. Ooh, it's about to be a lot of them up there. One right here, and I have one down here on the bottom too. I can't wait for that. Cucumbers are my favorite. A little bit of vinegar, a little bit of hot sauce. What y'all know about that? I feel like next time I will be mindful of the watering, so I'm not watering too much. But other than that, we eating everything over here. I don't care, big or small, everything. I think it's safe to say that this one is spent. I am looking forward to taking this off, which I'm not doing now, and saving the seeds from it. Now I won't have to buy no more sunflower seeds or cosmos. She is the newest addition. She definitely struggling. It looked like they left her out in the sun and then they try to overcompensate with the water, but not like she didn't need it. This one is let me see, a sun sugar. There we go. It's indeterminate. This will be my first indeterminate, all the way indeterminate, because I have Roma tomatoes and I think it's semi-determinate. So yeah, got plans for you.